Actually, I'm leaving from here tomorrow, so I went to meet some my family members. So they wanted
Okay.
me to see in sari.
Uh-huh.
I was happy.
Nice.
No, you're looking nice.
Tomorrow I have to wear sari because we have our Ashwasan meet.
Ah,
Hurry, Anega has come.
this
Manohar
item
has also
color.
come. Hi. Hi,
Hi.
Anega.
Hi.
Hi, Anaga. Moto is
Hi.
here.
Good to see you.
Hi.
Hi everyone, Fatima.
Hi.
Hi, Fatima.
Hi.
Chita, I'm giving you host.
Where is Vandana? Millie. Millie must be still dressing, no? She loves to dress. She must be putting on something exotic jewelry, you know.
Yes.
Ashima has come. Hi, Ashima.
Ashima.
Hi, Ashima.
Hi girls.
Hi. Oh,
Hi.
look at the little one
Wow.
also has come.
Lovely.
Hi. Oh, look at that. Two of
How
them.
cute.
Oh.
Oh,
Hi, Poonam.
Hi, Poonam.
hey, hi.
What at the
Hello,
back? It's
hello.
on Lion
Hi,
King
everyone.
theme or what, Ashima? You painted Lion
Vandana,
King.
switch on your video.
Poonam,
Padmaja
hi.
video.
Hello,
Long
Mama.
time.
How are you?
Long time, Poonam.
Swati.
Nice meeting you.
Hi, Poonam. Kalpana
Hi,
is
Vandana. Hi,
Hi,
Padmaja.
hi,
everyone.
Hi.
Manjuji is traveling, looks like.
Everyone is traveling.
Yeah.
Looks like.
Not bad.
Last time
Not
when I
bad.
called her, she
Got
was in somewhere in Jaipur, I think.
Yeah,
No,
Udaipur, Udaipur.
Udaipur. हाँ.
कहाँ जा रहे हो मंजू जी?
Manju, Millie. If Manju is there, Millie will be there. Ah, Vandana is also there.
Kalpana ma'am, hello.
Hey, hello. Hi.
Hi.
Hey, happy
Manju,
birthday.
where did you leave Millie behind? Where is Millie?
Hi, Kanchan. She's still
So now
getting
here
ready.
for this.
I think she's getting
Hi,
ready.
Amma.
She must be putting something on her hair and something on her hand and something on her neck.
Hi, Bhumika.
Hi, thank you all.
Hi, Bhumika.
Good.
Very happy.
Hi, Bhumika. Happy
Hi. Happy
birthday.
birthday.
Thank you.
Happy birthday, Bhumika.
Light the candles.
Happy birthday, Bhumika.
Where is the thing though?
Yeah.
No, like.
That's my daughter, Vidita.
Yes. Hi, Vidita.
Yeah.
Hi.
Hi.
Ah, Kalpana is there.
Happy birthday.
Bhumika, share the picture of the cake, please.
Yeah.
Hi, Vidhi. Ah, Mama also is there. Nice seeing you. Vijay Lakshmi. She just finished her 70th, no? Swati, where is your daughter, Urja? Hi, Padmaja.
Hi, Uma ma'am.
Hi.
Okay. We have.
Everyone is looking a little different than usual.
That's the idea. That's the idea. It's party time. No yoga time, no training time, no chair yoga, nothing. Party time. Why are you already lighting the cake? Wait, show us your flowers. Where's your flower? Vidhi, hi.
Hi.
You baked it, Baba? Did
What?
you bake the cake? Did you bake
No,
the cake?
I didn't. I didn't make this.
Okay. We ordered it, so it reached on time. Good.
Yeah,
Where's mom's
very
flowers?
pretty.
Where's mom's flowers? Where is she? The flower girl.
Yeah, the
It's
flowers
there.
are there.
It's there.
Yeah.
So cute.
Standing right
For
in
sending
front of
over
the
the
camera,
flowers.
wanting to hear.
And that's the
So,
card
on
which
with the
my
party,
daughter
huh?
gave me yesterday.
Oh, wow. That's so
very nice.
Wow.
That's so nice.
wow.
Beautiful.
Ooh.
So shall we cut the cake?
Just one sec, Bhumika. We have something for you to play first. Then you cut the cake.
Yeah.
Testing
Pooja
time
will,
when
tell us the flow of the program,
Yes, so
and
we
then
will
we'll go and celebrate, cut the cake, eat the cake virtually.
don't worry, I've also got sweets.
Wow.
I know good juice. No, good juice. They like lot of sweets. So Anand sweets are also there. Lot of sweets are there. Gifts and all will come later, not now.
Oh, nice.
But
okay.
you have to
So
show us your
take the
flowers.
video.
You
We
show
all
us
will
your
go on
flowers.
mute. Yeah, we all go on mute.
No, you have to show. Tell her to show the flowers. Yeah. Where are the
Yeah.
flowers?
Yeah, the flowers by phone. Yeah.
Wow.
They're playing
Nice.
a player.
Very nice.
No, no, Suchita is host. Yeah. Everybody has to go on mute?
Yeah, please everyone go
Yeah.
on mute.
I'll take it first, you know.
No, it's fine.
Happy birthday, Bhumika.
Thank you.
I'm muting all.
Why you want to mute? Yeah, let it be. You want to mute?
For a while, then again I'll unmute.
Okay.
Yeah, Pooja, you can unmute yourself.
Yes, Sucheta.
Yeah. So Pooja is the co-host or the MC for the program today. And I'll be at the backstage streaming the videos.
Okay, so good evening, everyone. Thank you once again for joining us and quick meeting. Always, we love to be together, and it's a very special day. We have our Bhumika's birthday, so many happy returns of the day, Bhumika, from all of us. Definitely, everyone would have already wished you personally, calling, maybe Instagram, Facebook, but this is something we thought that this is something is really a very good opportunity for us to celebrate with you, and as a reason we are here. So a quick small video for you to start with.
Yeah, so here I go. Right?
Wait.
Come.
You have to log in.
Wait. One moment, huh? There's a technical hitch. Yeah. Downloads.
It doesn't look like.
Is it being shared?
No, 1 minute, just a second.
Yeah, sure.
So Bhumika, that was a small, wishes from all of us to you. And you
I'm
can
stopping
just
it. It's not
unmute
stopping.
yourself.
One minute, Pooja.
Yeah.
It's playing from the WhatsApp. I think so. Yeah.
Maybe that is the reason.
I had to play from the WhatsApp.
Oh, okay. Yeah, Bhumika, you there?
Yeah. How many saris? Rupa is in a sari already. Okay. Swati, where is your sari? Shobha, where is your class is there now? 6 o'clock. Ashima's little kids all wearing caps. Ashima is wearing a birthday cap. Wow.
Oh, we are all
Today my class is at 7, so I'm all free.
Okay.
So we can do the cake cutting now.
Yeah, we can do the cake cutting.
Yes.
I think Pooja will do the quiz first. What do you say? And then we have the cake cutting and then music and all.
Okay, or otherwise before that we have a few who wants to talk about Bhumika. So Ashima, why don't you start first?
Talk about Bhumika ma'am right now. And as we all know, Bhumika is such a accomplished woman. But despite her achievements, we all know she's filled with kindness and warmth for all of us. And we know the special initiative that she's for the visually impaired. And she's full of warmth and the love for everybody. She's a role model for so many of us. And it's a privilege for me to be a part of this birthday celebration for her. And my kids are equally excited. Bhumika ma'am, we wish you a very, very happy birthday and a great year ahead.
Thank you. Lovely. The kids join on the session classes regularly without fail.
They are very excited for the cake to be cut.
Thank you, Ashima, for supporting Delhi so much. Really appreciate.
It's an honor to know with you.
Okay, thanks Ashima. Do we have Fatima? Fatima, can you just unmute yourself?
Verita, did you see Ashima's kids here?
Yeah.
Manjuji, just mute yourself.
Mute.
No?
I have muted myself.
Say hi.
Hi, yeah.
Hi.
Thanks, Fatima.
Yeah, you can hear me?
Yes. Yes.
Yeah, you can hear me ना? फूलों ने अमृत का जाम भेजा है, फूलों ने अमृत का जाम भेजा है, गगन से सलाम भेजा है, खुशियों से भरी जिंदगी आपकी, खुशियों से भरी जिंदगी आपकी, दिल से हमने ये पैगाम भेजा है. With best wishes है फातिमा from all the VI. भूमिका मैम, आपको हमारा सलाम.
Thank you.
भूमिका मैम से मैं लास्ट टाइम हम लोग 14 दिसंबर 2019 में हमने वर्ली में बर्थडे सेलिब्रेट किया था एंड इट वाज अ मेमोरेबल डे. और मैं भूमिका मैम को उस दिन फर्स्ट टाइम मिली थी पर्सनली. मैं उनके वर्कशॉप्स अटेंड करती थी बट फर्स्ट टाइम मिले थे एंड देन तो नहीं हो पाया ड्यू टू दिस कोविड. And then I spoke to her on the phone and she was so concerned about the VI कि वो लोग कैसे रहते होंगे ये टाइम में, पैंडेमिक टाइम में खाना मिलता है, राशन मिलता है. And from there all started. distributing food, that with phone buddies, yoga, we got connected. So लेकिन मुझे लगता है कि ये हम लोग possible, तो हमने like we should be thankful to Bike Runners India के साथ बना दिए. So we have a jam like a person like Bhumika ma'am, and I always regret कि मैं Bhumika ma'am को इतना late क्यों मिली हूँ. So you guys, you are younger to me. I'm 50, so you should be very happy that Bhumika ma'am will be with you. Like, so I wish her a very all the best, and wish you very happy, long and healthy life. Wish
Thank
you
you.
the best and God bless you always. Thank you and wish you happy birthday.
Thank you. Thank you, Fatima.
Thanks so much, Fatima. Do we have Nidhi?
Yeah.
Nidhi, have you joined? If you can go next. No, Fatima, thank you so much. You can unmute yourself.
Hi everyone, happy birthday Bhumika. Sorry, I'm not owning my video. I'm not in on. I haven't got ready. Happy birthday Bhumika. God bless you always. You are doing a very good job. We all are very much proud of you. Keep doing that, and a good noble cause that all the VIs and the whole Pinkathon group is proud of you. So many more miles to you. Keep running and keep inspiring. That's all from my side.
Thanks so much, Nidhi. Thank you. So, Sucheta, we will start with the quiz contest. I don't think so we have anyone else now. So we'll start with the quiz and then we will do the cake cutting and party with the music.
Yes. So,
So
Uma
I
ma'am,
would request,
yeah, I'm sharing the screen now.
Can I get a minute? My VI, Vedavyas, had called me to wish Bhumika ma'am today morning,
Sure.
and she did complete 21K yesterday. And this is dedicated to Bhumika for today's birthday. So he had called me twice to wish you, Bhumika. Wishing you a very, very happy birthday.
Thank you.
From his side and my side as well.
Thank you so much. Thank you, Lata. And Vedyas, thank you for listening.
So let's go to the quiz now. So Bhumika, we have a quiz on you.
Hope you will like it. Go to the first slide.
Yeah, going.
Yeah.
How does one answer the quiz?
Yes.
How do we answer the quiz?
So we will have a time. I will keep the timer for 10 seconds for each question.
And anyone can answer?
Yes, anyone can answer. So they can just unmute their.
Why don't you unmute? Why don't you unmute everybody? That's better, no?
Yeah, I'll unmute them.
Not everybody. Whoever knows the answer. Otherwise, we will not be able to see the.
And as you give the answer, again mute yourself.
Bhumika, you don't answer, please. Keep quiet.
Let's.
One more click, Sucheta.
Yeah, I'm going ahead. So happy birthday once again, Bhumika, from all of us.
Just click that video. You don't want to? Go back.
No, it is a quiz contest on Bhumika. It is there. It's coming up.
No. Back.
What video?
Here. You have to click on that video. Down the link. No, back. Here. Down there is a. No, you're going.
No, I can't see that.
It's there. पीछे और एक बार पीछे जाइए. Or you want me to share?
Yeah, why don't you? Suchita having some.
Okay, yeah. Media unavailable दिख रहा है इधर.
अच्छा ठीक है छोड़ो, we will do it later then.
You do it. Why don't you do it? Doesn't matter. If you are able to do it, no?
Okay. Do you want me to make you the host?
Wait, I'll just see if I can share the screen.
He's already a co-host, no?
Just unshare.
Yeah.
You have to allow me to share the screen. It says disabled.
Yeah, 1 minute. Pooja. Hold on.
No, I'm still not able to.
No, but she is co-host, no, Suchita?
No. Because I was going to share the screen, so Bhumika made me the. Yeah.
She can still share the screen without being the host.
Yeah.
No, it is not allowing.
No, put it on the board. Put it on the screen so everybody can see it. Suchita, put it on the screen.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Make a host. Make her the host. So Pooja, iPhone, na, right? Pooja? That's the one.
No, not iPhone. The other one, not iPhone.
Hold on. Only Pooja. Yeah.
Only Pooja, huh? Sorry for the glitch, Bhumika. We are also learning.
I thought morning we decided.
Happy birthday, Bhumika.
Thank you.
No, Pooja was busy at office work, so she asked me to stream the videos.
Okay, you can't put it on the screen. Screen sharing.
No, she'll do.
I'll
She's
see
doing
my
it.
screen.
Yeah.
I wonder what video you.
Suspense.
I know.
Oh, the volume is not coming in that, I think.
Doesn't matter, yeah. You just show the questions. That's enough. Whoever answers, they'll unmute themselves and answer.
Okay, chalo, let's start with the quiz only.
Yeah.
Okay. So, Uma ma'am, I'm just moving to the quiz 1.
Yeah.
Yes.
Can everybody see it? You want me to read it? Do you want me to read it or can everybody see it?
Yes, ma'am. We
I can read it, Uma ma'am.
Okay.
11
Okay.
years?
Okay. Question 1 is, since how many years is Bhumika active as a marathon runner? How many years?
11 years.
11.
12.
I got it right.
Okay, who said 11 is the right answer?
11.
Right answer is 11.
11. Ooh.
Yes,
Okay.
11.
Moving to next. Quiz 2.
How many? Okay. Question 2. How many FM has Bhumika run to achieve the world's marathon major? How many FM?
Six.
Very good.
Very good.
Good.
Poonam.
Wow.
Yes.
Poonam. The class teacher, of course.
Yeah.
They're asking question, not
Quiz
teaching.
3.
Okay, question number 3. In which year was Bhumika recognized as Asia's Woman of Substance? In which year?
2019.
The certificate says that.
2019.
I've seen that.
2019.
Good. Clever girls.
Yeah.
So we move on to 4. Bhumika ran as official guide to Eric Mansa in which marathon? All of you know.
Boston.
Okay, good.
Boston.
Most of us know all these things of Bhumika, so everybody will be giving correct answers.
Yeah.
Good.
Bhumika, how are you feeling about this?
Yeah, wonderful. Like even I may get bogged down by numbers. You know, some of the numbers I nice refresher.
Okay. How many visually impaired ran in the ultra marathon Mysore to Bengaluru? 6. That also all of you know. Okay, very good.
7.
Good.
Very good. You all know your head coach very well.
6.
Yeah.
In
Next.
August 2019, Bhumika was profiled as India's leading lady woman inspiring generation. By whom?
IBM?
No.
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 Once you're wrong, try again. In August 2019, Bhumika was profiled as India's leading lady woman
Time up.
generation.
Yeah, that's a
Time up. Come on,
Time up.
crack your brains.
It's World Marathon Majors.
World Marathon
Yes,
Majors. World Marathon Majors. Okay, moving on to next. Since how many years Bhumika Patel, founder, Guide Runners India, training underprivileged, visually impaired for running? How many years has been running for visually
5 years?
5.
5 is correct. 5 is correct. 5 is
Yes.
very good. Very good. Bhumika received doctorate for work in area of visually impaired. Ultra marathon. From whom did she receive the doctorate? Who gave her the doctorate? We want to know.
Women's Athletics Magazine.
Who gave her the doctorate?
The Women's Athletics Magazine or something.
No.
Can we have some options?
Was it Harvard?
It's in university.
Yes.
Was it Harvard? Is it a university? Pooja, can you give one more hint?
No.
Pooja, let's have options, Pooja.
It's World University.
Time is going.
Bangalore University.
No.
I wish they did.
Any institute?
Could have get it.
Any institute?
No. Is time up?
Yes.
Okay. It's World Record University. Did you hear it? World Record University. Okay. So that's the only one you couldn't do. Doesn't matter. On the 9th, Bhumika first ran as a podium finisher. That was for how many kilometers? She first was on
21.
the
21.
No.
10 kilometers. 10 kilometers.
10.
No.
5.
We are asking for the first.
Very
It
good.
was
The
either
very
3 or
first
5.
marathon.
10
The very first
kilometers.
run.
10.
No.
No,
Look at
it's
the
5.
daughter. So small
No.
she was. The small
Yes,
daughter.
Samina is right.
4.
Yeah. How
She
many?
messaged.
How many did you say? 4. 4. Plus 4 kilometers with Sanjeev and
last-
Vijay also there. 4 kilometers at Wipro run.
Yeah. Now the last question.
In which online magazine of USA was Bhumika profiled as an Indian who promotes health to other women and children? In which online magazine?
The Game Changer?
Women running.
No.
No.
As
Something
an
close
Indian-
by.
Something like that. Running in women.
Yeah, something close
Women
by.
Athletics Magazine.
No. I know it's a good guess, but it is not.
Don't remember the exact name.
Okay.
Try.
See, try. You'll
You're
get
very
it.
close.
Yeah. Bhumika, I hope you remember.
Yes.
Rana Girls.
Hmm?
Something close.
Almost there.
Almost there.
Yeah.
Runners.
One word. You replace
One is
one
right,
word.
one is wrong.
Yeah. One word only you have to find. One word you found it correctly.
Okay, this is
One
interesting.
other word is in the question only. That hint also I can give you.
Yeah.
Runners.
Okay.
Health and wealth. Health,
No.
fitness.
No, 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 no.
Time up.
Time up.
Pooja, you
Runners
gave us
World.
very
It is
special.
Runners World. Runners World.
I didn't know Runners
It
World.
was an online magazine of USA where Bhumika was profiled as an Indian who promotes health to other women and children. So that is called Runners World. Somebody got the Runners Properly World, you did. Anyway, doesn't matter. It
No,
was well
I
done.
thought it was a subsegment of Runners World. Obviously, I know Runners World, but I was confused.
Not bad, not bad at all. All of you really know her quite well, I should
Yes.
say, no, Pooja?
Yes,
Did it
that
quite
was
well.
No, I can say now I know her. I wasn't knowing any of that. I was just
Now
doing
you
my
know
work.
more.
yeah, but that is great, right? We can make a quiz contest on her, means what are so
Exactly.
many achievements
Yeah.
she has,
Yeah. I mean,
right?
we could have
So
put 20, but
proud
unfortunately, because of the Zoom time, we had to reduce this.
But this is an excellent idea. Whoever thought of it. In fact, couple of days back, I was thinking, Bhumika keeps getting guests online for us. I think it's high time she should be the guest because we should know more about her. She's a beautiful person, in fact.
So what is Bhumika's reaction to this quiz?
Reaction?
yeah, Bhumika, we are waiting to hear from you.
Yeah, let's take your opinion.
Yes, over to the cake girl.
Well, go mute.
Friends party, mango party.
Yeah, so it was, I think it was a nice quiz covering my entire running journey, starting from 2009 till now. And yeah, 4 kilometers, that is the distance that felt like a full marathon at that time. And I used to call it a marathon. So I ran the marathon, and that is 4 kilometers. And it was quite a thing, but it's something that I will always remember. And thank you for bringing back those beautiful memories. And because of running, we all are together here. If I was not running, we all wouldn't have been together here and chatting, cutting my birthday, I guess. So it's definitely had a big impact on my life, and thank you all for being a big part of my journey.
That's very nice. Thank you, Bhumika. Thank you.
Yeah, please refrain asking a party from Bhumika. She will call us tomorrow morning to Cubbon Park for a marathon.
Yes, come over.
That's the party we can expect.
Oh, that is why this evening I told everybody, no core strength yoga, no marathon, no practice, no pranayam. I said we are going to celebrate this evening, special evening with Bhumika, have some fun for a change. Because she's always been towards what they, at it. So we said, no, let her now be part of it. She should not do anything. We all will do things for her. Let her sit back and enjoy this evening, her special day, right? So are you all ready to sing the song? Sure, ready.
Yes,
Okay.
Let's have the cake cutting, and then we can have the songs and dance.
Yes.
Yes.
Okay. Can the cake cutting happen?
Yes.
No blowing the candle. You know that. You can't blow the candle because you are adding life to years.
Yeah.
You should not blow the years away. No, Millie?
Yeah.
What do you say, Millie? Yeah. You should
Yeah.
always add years.
Yes. Happy birthday, Bhumika.
Wait. She hasn't lit the candlestick.
Bhumika, your birthday is going to be a memorable one to me. Say why.
Yes.
No,
Yeah.
it's her birthday and I received the gift.
Must be your anniversary on your birthday. too.
No, it's my pending gift which I just received. My daughter just gave me.
Oh.
Which one? She's given me a smart band.
Oh, wow.
Oh, then I should learn. I've not been able to put it on at all still. It's
I
not
had been
working.
telling I require and she gets me today. She said,
Oh, even my children gave me, but they're not able to put
Like
it
the
on.
cake
I
is
don't know.
lit. And let me show you, this is the cake.
Wow.
Yay.
Wow.
You know, Bhumika, the color combination.
What, a red velvet?
Lovely.
Is it a red velvet cake? Red
Yeah,
velvet.
it is
It's a strawberry chocolate
I
cake.
guess.
Why? It's a pink velvet cake.
Yeah.
It's a strawberry chocolate cake.
Strawberry.
Okay.
Okay. Yummy. I think I'm
I
the
wanted
closest.
something pink to send to you, so it goes with our logo colors.
Yeah, I also got thought of a similar color candle.
You should stand here. 1 minute. I
Put
just
your,
take a snapshot.
Vidhi, put
Yeah.
Mama's flowers that side, Vidhi. Put Mama's flowers on the sofa or somewhere where we can see it.
Okay.
Yeah.
Make it stand there.
Yes.
Is this?
Are you hold and stand there next to her, next to
Yeah.
Mom?
Yeah.
Okay.
That's better. Because
Okay,
you
I
can
just
see-
take her picture. Cake. Hey, come this side.
Yeah, you'll also get birthday cake. Dunzo, Dunzo.
Yummy, yummy strawberry cake.
Where's she gone off? Good girl. Where she go? She went to get the knife.
She went to click pictures.
Photos. My daughter is the photographer, so.
Yeah.
Okay, done.
All right, we are done.
Okay.
Yeah.
Rama?
Come back.
Yeah, she doesn't want to miss these precious moments. That's why.
Yeah.
Okay.
No blowing the candle.
It's gonna.
Let us get something just to wave the flame and then very nice. Ah.
Can you see the cake?
Yes.
Yes.
We can.
Okay.
Yes.
Can I blow?
Yeah.
No blowing. No blowing the candle. You shouldn't blow.
Yeah, you shouldn't blow, true.
You shouldn't blow the candle.
Keep it aside, na, the candle.
Yeah, just clap on it. It will go. With the
Yeah.
breeze, it will go. Unless because you lit it
Still
earlier, right?
exercise tomorrow, Bhumika. 50 for
Okay.
you.
Oh,
Okay,
very
done.
good. Ah, good, 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 good.
So let's all sing a happy birthday song
Happy
to her.
birthday.
Happy birthday to you.
Happy
birthday
to you. Happy
Happy
birthday,
birthday,
dear.
Happy birthday.
May
God bless you.
It's an eggless cake.
God bless you.
Happy
birthday,
birthday, dear
Bhumika.
Happy birthday to you. All. Okay, I'll also.
बार बार दिन ये गाए तुम जियो
Happy
birthday to you.
Happy
birthday
Happy birthday,
dear Bhumika.
Happy
Happy birthday
to you. That's nice song, Anaga. Thanks for singing.
Thank you.
Okay, I'll also take some lines. Okay. Pooja. Okay.
Yeah.
जन्मदिनमिदुं हरिप्रियसखे प्रार्थयाम्यहं ईश्वर सदा त्वाञ्च रक्षतु जन्मदिनमिदुं हरिप्रियसखे प्रार्थयाम्यहं ईश्वर सदा त्वाञ्च रक्षतु. All of you shine your hands, shine your hands, shine on, shine on. Shine, shine, shine.
Okay, now 3 cheers for Bhumika. Hip hip.
Hooray!
Hip hip.
Hooray!
Now,
Hooray!
now you can all
Long
give your
live. God bless you, Bhumika.
Thank
Now you
you.
can all
Thank
give
you,
your gifts
everybody.
to
God bless
her.
you with lots,
Wish you happy birthday, Bhumika.
achievements in your life. God bless you, Bhumika.
Thank
You
you.
can all give your gifts to her now. Here, Bhumika, your gift for this evening.
Thank you.
A piece and a pile.
Oh, wow, lovely.
That's nice.
Wow.
And of course, birthday sweets are here.
Who's that?
So sweet. That little one is
Ah,
singing.
nice.
Come on. Come on, sing, sing.
Okay.
Sing, sing.
Okay.
No singing, just
Chocolates for Bhumika.
Thank you.
Bhumika, chocolates for you when we reach, we'll give you.
very good, very good.
Very good.
Chocolates for you, Bhumika.
Thank you, Millie. Thank you.
When we meet, I'll get you.
Anand, please
ಇದಕ್ಕೆಲ್ಲ
talk
ಓಡೋಗ
because you being a Guju,
ಫೇಸ್ಬುಕ್ ನಾಗೆ
you being a Guju, I know you love the sweets. So special sweets of Anand.
Can we all go on mute? Bhumika, can you just say something so I can click your picture?
Yes.
And see in front.
You can pin.
Happy
You can
birthday,
pin
ma'am.
Pin your video, right?
You can pin the video, yeah.
Pooja, pin her video.
Yeah, you pin the video, it comes. Pin the video.
Yes, done.
You are pinning yourself.
No, I'm done.
Ritesh Kere has joined from Aurangabad. Ritesh, kaise ho?
Nice, ma'am.
Manohar is also there.
Manohar is also there. Ritesh, Aurangabad se hai na?
Yes. Hello.
हाँ
Very
मैम
good to
बोलना
see you.
हैप्पी बर्थडे मैम
Happy birthday, ma'am.
Thank you. Thank you.
तिने बघून म्हणून म्हणत होतो याचा व्हिडिओ चालू कर औरंगाबादहून रितेश केरे जॉईन झाला म्हणून मग आता तुला बोलू लागले नाही का?
मैम रितेश केरे औरंगाबाद
हाँ
उसके डैडी और वो
हाँ
Hello.
Namaste. Rajendra Kere, thank you.
हैप्पी बर्थडे मैम
Thank you very much. Thank you. आप और वहाँ पे बहुत आपने सेवा की है औरंगाबाद में. Thank you very much और हमारे साथ कांटेक्ट में रहने के लिए. All the best.
मैम आप
Ritesh.
थैंक यू मैम
Yeah. So Sucheta, what next?
आप औरंगाबाद
Bhumika will say a few words now.
Yeah.
Bhumika, you please talk few words. We'll give you 2-3 minutes.
So at the age of 40, now 45 complete and 46 going to start, and I really don't even remember my age. You know, I mean, I'm like we are so active every day with all of you coming on and doing all the skiing and the sessions. It's like almost every day we are meeting, right? For the entire, especially in 2020. 2020, if we've broken all records, we have met every day. I don't remember one single day not talking to all of you. So it's amazing. I think we've come together, and this is, I must say, one of the best birthdays I celebrated. And of course, last year was very memorable. I spent in what is that place? Worli Seaface with all the Mumbai visually impaired and the guides, and it was one memorable experience. And now everything is virtual, and I wish all of you all the best, and thank you for joining the initiative and coming together today.
Thank you, Bhumika. That was very nice. Thank you.
So we converted a yoga session into a birthday celebration today. So
Yeah.
we'll be walking and burning out some more calories today after this, after the session. Or it can be tomorrow also if somebody is missing today.
Yeah. So we'll make it tomorrow additional effort of whatever
We'll make an additional effort tomorrow.
Going to be a little extra tough session from Bhumika.
Yeah.
You have
Once those liliums, once the flowers bloom, no, you take the photo and send it.
Oh yeah.
They
Yeah,
all bloom.
thank you.
Millennium, they bloom. So that's why I selected the buds so that it keeps for a longer time.
Nice.
And it will stay for a longer time. Lovely bunch. So now, guys, are you ready to party?
Yeah.
Let's play.
Yes.
Yeah. Bhumika, you have to make some space there to dance.
Me.
We have to burn some calories now. Let's start now itself.
Yes, Bhumika, you have to dance.
Yeah, let's have an aerobics dance.
Yeah, where is Didi? Where is Didi?
Aerobics dance. Zumba. Let's
see
do
you
a
dancing,
Zumba.
Yeah,
Bhumika.
Zumba.
I don't know what music you girls have got in store. What music have you selected? Bollywood, Hollywood, Zumba?
Pooja, play music.
Whatever Bhumika likes.
Which type of music Bhumika wants?
You like which type you like, Bhumika?
Yeah, means
Warm up girls, Ashima and Shobha.
yeah, please play some songs.
As always, they will lead.
I know.
Yeah, my daughter wants to something specially for you. 1 second.
Yeah.
Yeah, lovely. So she's doing some performance.
Just 1 minute of your time.
No problem.
She's going to do a somersault. Oh my God. Handstand. That's a handstand she's doing.
Wow.
Oh, wow.
Doing Jerusalem, Jerusalem.
Wow. Lovely.
Oh.
Wow, so flexible she is.
Oh my God, so good. Gymnast.
Get your
Lovely. Very nice.
Why does this keep traveling around the house?
Good.
And round off.
Okay, round off.
Round off.
Down.
Wow.
Oh, that's very
Thank
you.
Maybe inspired by her, we have a handstand session.
Lovely painting behind Ashima.
That's my kids' room. So we've got
Yeah,
to
I
watch
know.
it.
That's what I told her. I said it's a Lion King thing she put on.
Yes.
All right, so let the kids start the dance.
Okay, wait,
Where is Arushi? Thank you.
Wait.
Girl, say what them it, girl. Bang, bounce with it, girl. Dance with it, girl. Get with it, girl. Put a bang, bang.
Come on, turn the radio on. It's Friday night and I won't be long. Gotta do my hair, put my makeup on. It's Friday night and I won't be long till I hit the dance floor, hit the dance floor. I got
Okay, go on speaker, do you know?
I ain't got gas, I got you, baby.
Just you,
Baby,
baby.
Hello. I think
I don't see anyone dancing or
No,
doing
just now
anything.
she's just come on. She's just come on. She's just there now. I think the music. Come on, baby. Now she's dancing.
Say hi.
Where's the music?
Am I on the music?
Yeah. Yes.
He's doing something. Padmana's son.
Padmaja's daughter dancing.
Thank you, Rashmi. Thank you. Pooja, can you put the
Sorry?
Can you change the view to visible for everyone?
Yeah. I'm doing.
Not the speaker view, but the other.
No, I have changed it for everyone.
Okay.
Yeah, now it is there. Yeah, can you all see?
What are you putting now?
No, nothing I'm putting. I will put the song and you all dance.
But it's seated, you know, so you are on your list.
You change the view, Pooja, to other.
Yeah, now she's coming. Now you can see her.
Anjana Shah is wishing you, Anjana Shah.
Thank you, Anjana. Thank you.
Yeah, the music is not clear.
Anybody wants to dance?
It's not coming on properly, this music.
What is not coming?
The music was very much wobbled. So
Is
play
it?
something and you feel, yeah.
Maybe there's some net issue connectivity at our end also, so that might also have a lag.
Yeah.
Correct.
Play something else.
Play something else.
Yeah.
What I should play?
Something peppy, where all these girls are sitting down only. Nobody's getting up to dance. You wanted everybody to get up and dance.
Okay.
They only want to do yoga every evening.
Yeah, if we say yoga, they'll all get up, I think.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying.
That's for sure. Yoga.
That is like sort of the cue word, you know. If you give the cue word, only then they'll get up.
Then Shobha is the expert there.
Happy birthday, ma'am. Uma ma'am said no yoga today, so I'm at practice now.
So you are going to be Santa Claus, right, Arohi? Yeah, go ahead.
Say Arohi.
Happy birthday, ma'am.
Thank you, baby. Oh, look at him, your brother.
Behind.
Very nice.
Hi, Bhumika ma'am. Happy
Hi.
birthday.
Thank you.
Okay,
Okay, so which song you want to dance to?
Anything.
Anything. She can dance on anything. Nice.
What's happening?
Shall we play music or what?
Yeah. I
play.
You said you all got all the music. What happened? It's not coming up.
She's putting on the music.
Dancing, no?
Let's do chair dancing, like chair yoga.
Yoga, yeah. Why you want to? Get away from yoga this evening.
You're already there, Bangalore University, right? She just. Which college?
Play the Dandiya music only. You can play Dandiya music only. Any music, different sound.
Which college? Yeah, that's
We should start it with Bhumika. We need to ask her to dance.
I think let Bhumika only play because you girls
Yeah,
are not.
Bhumika, you start and then everybody will start following you.
Yeah, let Bhumika only
Let her
start
play
the
the
music and
music.
let her only dance.
Start up.
Bhumika, you play the music. They're not able to do it. Bhumika
Yeah.
will play the music.
She disappeared. Where is she?
Just opening cake for my daughter's friends.
Bhumika, you start up and we'll follow you with the dance.
Okay.
No, let her play the music. No, she will select the music.
Yeah,
Bhumika,
play
you
the
only put
music.
the music.
Yeah, Bhumika, you only select the music.
Music.
You only select the music.
I'm putting one.
Let her put. Let her put. Going to be eating. Everybody has your drinks next to you. You can start eating.
Toast for you.
Uma, where's your wine?
Yeah.
Bhumika, jeera, cinnamon water.
Jeera and cinnamon water.
Bhumika, water.
Hello, the music is on.
Water bottle.
Bhumika, ma'am, can I tell another healthy
The music is on. So let's start the party. Let's stand. Since Bhumika asked for drinks, I put this song.
Please, Gaia, we can't see Bhumika.
Vijay, you can't play the song and sit there. Pooja, can you give me the host?
Yeah. Yes, Bhumika, done. I made you host.
Yes.
Playing the music on the screen.
Yeah, she will do that.
Anagha, dance karo.
It's not coming through properly.
Okay, let me play. Just mute yourself, Pooja.
Not coming properly.
और सुनना है तो सब्सक्राइब करो टी सीरीज।
Sandhya full. Me and Sandhya are matching today, I think.
Rupa is dancing in sari. I should now put her video. Oh wow, Rupa, so good. Bhumika, just pin Rupa's video.
Yeah.
Rupa's video.
We can't hear the song, Bhumika.
No.
We can't hear the song.
You can't hear?
No.
No.
Now we can. It again went. The audio went.
It's going to start now. Come on, fire.
Can others go on mute, please?
Hello.
Roy and Vajna. I can't mute some people.
Hello, madam.
Namaste.
Clear, Pooja. So other bride is also coming.
What? Shobha, I can't hear you.
Other noise is coming. I think problem with my system or what? Don't know.
We can hear the song.
Who is that one at the background singing?
Somebody at the back.
Yeah.
Anjana?
Yes.
Anjana?
Yes.
Is it Anjana singing?
Bhumika, mute everyone so that there's no other disturbance.
No, we are not able to mute Anjana.
I muted Anjana. Wait.
Okay.
रिकॉर्डिंग इसलिए है कि I was never a brave man. लेकिन उसने हिम्मत जुटा के तुम्हें माला पहनाई थी. और अब ये न्यू ब्रेव मी ये सोचता है कि फाइनली तुमसे पूछ ही डाला कि सितारा
दवाइयों पर भारी डिस्काउंट्स 1mg पे डाउनलोड द 1mg ऐप.
Here you go. Your blood sugar.
The music isn't clear, I guess.
Ah, it's very garbage, no? Music is
Yeah, there's some disturbance.
I think today everything is down in Google.
Okay, good. So what is you want to do next? You want more songs or? And cheers to whoever has wine and I have my copper.
Rupa, amazing performance.
I have my tea and I had it. Thank you, guys. Rupa, tried to follow you, but could not.
Yes.
Really good.
Rupa, I have shared your video on WhatsApp. Please check. Your
Wow,
dance
nice.
video.
Thank you.
I hope, Bhumika, you liked the videos that we made, the quiz we organized.
Yeah, it was
And-
lovely. Thank you so much.
Thank you. Thanks for Pooja and Uma ma'am. Helping me
Nikita
out with
also.
this.
Thank you very much. Anybody wants one more song?
Yeah.
Who?
Last one.
Rupa can.
Rupa can
Solo.
do.
Yeah, Rupa can do.
अच्छा ये अपना वो डांडिया वाला डांस सॉन्ग था ना वंदना वो बीच में जो प्ले हुआ वो
हाँ वही
हाँ तो चलो let's play that one more time. Then we come to the video, clap, and then we go back and then dance.
Yeah, okay, done.
Everyone do clap and then we go back.
Done. Choda Tara.
हाँ
Chogara Tara.
चौगाड़ा है क्या ये?
हाँ.
नहीं, this is not चौगाड़ा. ये वाला याद किया है.
हाँ याद किया कि फाल्गुनी पाठक.
हाँ.
This was not the song, no? You did recently. That was different one, no?
Yeah, that's during Navratri we did.
Yeah, but this also we can do that. Just coming forward and going back.
Yeah.
Okay. बताओ वंदना एक बार बता दो.
Okay, you play the song.
Uma ma'am is with her dandias.
एक बार और बताओ वंदना. Okay, we show our hand to the camera and then go and do a step, right?
Pakistan's Army Chief General Musharraf had already और जब तुम उसकी बरात में क्रश हल्ली हुई उस दिन कॉलेज वाले थे
तो रह जाते
Mama Bai has got dandiya out. Recording इसलिए है कि आप इस never a break. Okay. I think we are done now.
Loved it.
Loved it. Yes, lovely. Thank you all for dressing up so well.
Thank you, Bhumika.
No, you can't see me?
We can see.
Yeah, we can see you.
No.
Happy birthday once again.
Thank you. Manuka, thank you for joining, sir. Thank you.
So let's do a birthday potluck once. So सबका birthday एक साथ couple में celebrate करेंगे.
Yeah, let's do it.
Mumbaikars.
So yeah, all the Mumbai team can go to one park and we will do Zoom video and whichever location.
Yeah, we'll need to do that more often, connecting all the locations. So next, preparing for the sari run, right?
Yes.
Yes, yes.
Hi, good to see you, Thai.
She joined.
Yeah, she joined.
Hello, madam.
Hello.
Hello, आवाज ही नहीं आई बिल्कुल.
Hi, Thai.
You want to be silent.
Hello, everyone.
Hi.
We missed your dance.
Yeah,
Thai.
Thai, you are going to do one performance. Come on, now. Can't leave.
I don't like. See,
No.
Bhumika, Bhumika ma'am, I believe in one-to-one meeting, virtual meeting. I cannot sense any feelings.
Okay, you don't need to sense. We will sense. You just dance.
It soon and we will dance. Bhumika ma'am, do you remember last year you were here in Mumbai and we the night? Do you remember the balloon wala thing?
Yeah. Oh my gosh.
One man was selling balloon.
Yeah, it was so.
And we took all his balloon and we told him we want to click pictures. So can you just stay out of this frame so we can click pictures? And he was not able to say anything. And so much fun we did. And next morning, Pinkathon run was there. So we had a lot of fun.
Yeah.
I was making this tablecloth.
Oh, beautiful. Very
Wow.
nice.
For Christmas.
Wow.
Lovely, lovely. So are
And
you going to
Bhumika ma'am, you do share your creams also, which cream you apply. I will buy those creams for myself.
That's so cute.
Secret. चुपके share करेंगे.
No secret, nothing.
नहीं. I have in my entire life, I have meet many women. Whenever I ask them ना क्या लगाती हो, कुछ नहीं, सुबह नहाते ऐसे ही निकल आते. कुछ नहीं लगाते. And they look so pretty. Maybe you are blessed by your parents. Your mama must be having such a lovely skin. That is why you are also having glowing skin.
Yeah. And she
Ah,
work
so
out every
cute.
day, though that's the reason her skin is glowing.
Yeah, now though I have put on
She has
8
such a
kgs.
glowing skin, all due to
8
workout.
kgs.
Yes. 8 kgs in a month.
Oh my God.
I remember you had lost 10 kgs.
Yeah. So now though means my daughter is saying, Mama, you are becoming very thin. It is very embarrassing to me because she is putting on, she is in Himachal. Na? So their diet is very, very healthy diet they eat because it is very chilly also there.
So now that you remembered that meeting of ours, I'm going to share my screen where last year's video.
Yeah,
I remember.
The cake was arranged by me only. Do you remember that?
Yeah.
There.
The same time, same day last year. It's Anaka there.
How many people there? You guys drink champagne, but one champagne bottle I have kept for you.
Oh wow.
Yeah,
Send it to us.
ये champagne bottle है.
Okay.
So there's Ketki Shah, there is Yeah, there was Ketki. I saw Anaga. Almost everybody, all of you were there, right?
अभी नहीं चार्ज नहीं है.
Kiran Talwar.
Kiran Talwar was there. Yeah. So we spent the entire night on the Murli Sea Face by the beach.
बहुत मजा आया था. I miss those days, Baba. Suchita ma'am, you also come next time.
Yeah, next time pakka.
Pakka promise, no jutta uta.
No, pakka promise.
I'll catch next flight and I'll come to take you. Don't worry, I'm very bold.
But then you
very
better
bold
be here
person.
only. No, why you want us to come?
फ्लाइट का टिकट नहीं मिला, दूध का गाड़ी पे आएंगे हम लोग. बैंगलोर से दूध आता है. दूध का गाड़ी में आएंगे हम लोग.
No, let's plan one trip from Bangalore people to Mumbai and one another Mumbai to Bangalore.
We there to greet you. Come over, Thoy.
अरे I am going to come. All my IT friends they keep on calling. हम लोग बोर हो गए, तू यहाँ पे आ, तू बहुत मस्ती करते, तू आ.
Prakash has joined. Jaya.
Who has joined? Jaya.
Jaya Prakash from Chennai.
Okay, Jay Prakash.
Hey, hi, Bhumika.
Hi, Jay Prakash.
Just connected to the program, so just connected. Many more happiness of the day.
Thank you so much. How's Chennai doing?
Yeah, it was raining since last week. Now it's very started the hot here. So after last week, it's raining heavily. Now it's back to normal.
Okay. Waiting to see you at the runs. So Jai Prakash was there in the full marathon, which we did with the visually impaired. And so let's wind up, guys. Thank you so much for all the celebrations and taking time out.
So ma'am, now party चलेगा पूरा रात.
Already over.
But अपने घर पे. Baba, you all guys are. Hey, you all guys do come to Mumbai. I will cook nice, delicious seafood. अगर vegetarian है, vegetarian खाना भी बहुत अच्छा बनाती है. तुम लोग आओ.
Which part of
Be on the way, Thoy.
अरे तुम लोग किधर बोलेगा, तुम लोग कुलाबा में भी आ सकता है. My aunt house is there in Kulaba. Kulaba is the main place in Mumbai. Nowadays, we can't afford property over there, but my aunt house is there, so we can go and hang out over